Alright, yo guys, what's up? What are you guys doing? Now I'm gonna be working on my game. That's pretty cool, right? So, yeah, it's gonna be fun. Uh, oh, that's okay. Oh yeah, it's gonna be fun, I think, definitely. Um, one, here we go. Okay. Yeah, I think what was that error? Okay. Um, I think, it'll be fun. Be nice. Um, basically, let me just kind of explain what it is. So basically, this game is it's called Build an Army, and basically, what you do in the game is, I haven't really worked on it too much, but when you click the play button, it gives you a plot. My money's like crazy just for like testing purposes, and then you can open up your inventory here. My inventory is like that. This is kind of off. Not I don't. It's not really that good. Um, but yeah, the inventory here. You could like do this and then you only have one. I didn't actually work on the placing. Yeah, then you can leave, and then there's the money and then there's the shop. I didn't work too much on the soldier, but look where it's on the inventory, John, and it just adds more of them. And then you open up the inventory, 9, and then you could play at the event. And then right now it just teleports you to like the area. It doesn't really like do anything. Um, but that's probably what I'm gonna be. My number one, what I'm probably gonna do right now is working on the plot system. I'm thinking maybe like so you can expand your plots. Like I don't know. 1 second. I'm, I don't know how to do this. Um, like should I do like a UI maybe or like a uh yeah, I think I might just do like a UI. Um, I have the like I have everything. Um, I so okay. So in the script, um, where's play? Okay, and it puts it in there. I'm pretty sure, right? Uh, because I want to change the name to like plot or something. Here, I'll just do that so that it has an error. Wait, what? There's no error. Oh, oh. Okay, it's fine. I got confused. Um, yeah. Um, okay. Alright. So, I'm gonna add like a part just like this. Like 5150. So I think it'll just be like the same thing. And then it'll just be like plot 1. And then what? Like duplicate it. Plot 2. I'll just do like 6 for now. I'll probably end up doing more. 3, 4. 5, 6. So, oh wait, no. Okay, or no. I'm gonna undo it. Um, okay, I'm just a little bit like, okay, I have an idea. So basically, what it's gonna be is it's gonna have the like, I don't know how to describe this, but it's gonna be like like I don't like expand the plots, like just expand it, so instead of 50 150 it's like 100 100 maybe. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know, but like it might not work. Um okay, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna have a UI. Yeah. Okay. Screen UI, I'll call it like plot expansion UI. And then like a frame? Yeah, frame. What am I thinking? Why do I even question that? Like grid frame. I'm probably gonna have it like a grid. Yeah. Okay. Like 0 300 0 300. What? Sometimes I just do this. It's just easier to do that. And then anchor point 0.5 0.5 and then position 0.5 comma 0 comma 0.5 comma 0. Wait, what am I? 0.5 comma 0 comma 0.5 comma 0. Okay. Like maybe 25 like that. Is that good? Yeah, I think that's good. Here, let me just make a poll. Oh wait. Okay. It won't, I don't know how to do it. What features? Let what features should, what features should I add? Pin the comment. Here we go. Message pinned, okay. And then like corner UI corner thing. The corner like 0.5. Is that good? Like 0.5? Oh, never mind. That's a circle, bro. That is a circle. What about that? Okay, that's like better. That's better. and then like a UI stroke. Light gray. Like this, like this. I'm cooking. And then like 1.5. 1.5. Ooh, look at that. Oh yeah, I'm cooking. And then UI list layout. No. Grid is better. Grid. And then maybe cell padding 0, 0. Wait, no, what? 090, 090. Cell size 0.5, 0.5. Wait, I did that wrong. Oh wait, never mind. Wait. Let me. 0.5. Yeah, I did it. I'm like retarded or something. Like fill direction 3. We'll do 3. Someone just texted me. Alright. Let me check the chat. No one said anything because no one is been watching. Yup. How long have I been streaming for? 11 minutes. Not bad, I guess. Still have 0 viewers. Let me. Okay. Here. I'm thinking. Like a text button. As like the template, I guess. You know, I have this really nice plugin here. I don't know what it is, but it's this. And the unit conversion is like so useful. You can just press it and it just like sets it and it just puts it on offset and it's so like it's really nice. Like gray, like a dark, like this color, right? Or maybe like a little bit brighter. Okay, that's here. I always do this. Highway Gothic, white, and then like what? Locked, text scaled. So that like, yeah. We're gonna do that. And then we're gonna do UI corner. I think 0.05. Yeah, I think it's just gonna match the thing or like 0.2. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. And then like a UI stroke. Actually, that doesn't look too bad. 1.5. Ooh, that actually looks like, and then like a dark gray with it too. Ooh, that's nice. That's nice. And then I'm thinking. Okay, yeah, I need remote events. I already have a remote events. Remote event thing. So I'm gonna do request tile purchase and then upgrade tile grid or update tile grid, and then yeah, plot expansion server, right? I think that's good. Yeah. Okay, local replicated system is equal to game get service replicated storage local players equals okay, local htt I can't like service equals. I love how sometimes the AI is like really useful, and it like can like help you in a way, like how it kind of just helped me with these past three. But like this, I don't like how it just assumes like that your next line of code. I think that I don't really like that. Like local data store service, and watch. Yeah, and you just have to wait a second. And then local plot store equals data store get bro. And I want to just player plot. Just like player plots. Local events equals replicate. Did I spell replicate? No. I'm so retarded. Oh my gosh. Replicate storage. Okay. Replicate storage. Wait for child. Remote events. Local. Request. Event. Equals events. Colon wait for child. Request tile purchase. Local. Update. Event. Equals events wait for child. Okay. Wait. Update plot. No, update tile grid. Is that how it's... Oh, I put an uppercase I. There we go. Okay. So I think we do a local function get tile cost. We put grid. I think. And then local on cost on count is probably better. Equals 0. And then 4 underscore v in pairs, and then grid, right? I think we do grid. I think and then if the then on count plus equal to 1 and then n, and we're just gonna return 100. I guess we'll do 100 multiplied own count. So, I mean, I'm gonna work on the I'm gonna load the grid. So another function, local function, load grid, player, local success equals data equals, oh wait, no, equals. I am so retarded. Data equals pcall function return plot store get sync player dot user ID. Yes, should work. And then if success and data, then return data, and then else we're gonna make the grid. So grid is a table for x equals 1, comma 3 do, for y equals 1 to 3, and then grid square brackets x dot dot comma dot dot y false. Okay, I think this is no, I'm not done. Grid 2, comma 2 equals true, and then return grid. Now we have to save the grid. We have 2 views. Here, I want to see something. Go here. Okay. Yeah, I mean. Okay. Dang. Yeah, I mean. Okay. I mean, whatever, I guess. But, and then local function save grid player, comma grid pcall function plot store status sync player dot user ID comma grid. Okay. Now this is gonna get kind of complicated, I guess. Yeah. So 1 second. Okay, yeah, okay. And request event. Request event dot on server event colon connect function player xy local grid data equals player colon get attribute plot grid and then local grid if grid data then. How did it know? How did it know? Yo. How does it know? That's what I'm gonna write. Bro. Local key equals x dot y. No. Dot y. If grid key then return end. Now local neighbors equals a table grid square brackets normal brackets x plus 1 dot quotes comma dot y. And then I'm thinking I just do it again, right? And then just instead of that I minus it. Yeah, and then this y xx dot xx and then y plus 1 and then y minus 1. Okay, that's good. And then local can buy equals false for underscore comma v in pairs neighbors do if v then can buy equals true. Oh, no, I don't want that. True break end. And then outside of that, if not can buy then return end. So and then we're gonna check the leader stats. Local leader stats equals player colon find first child leader stats local money equals leader leader stats. Yo, how does it always know? Find first child money if money and money dot value is greater than equal to get tile cost, and then grid, then money dot value minus bro, where is minus? Minus equals to get tile cost, grid, and then grid, key equals true, player colon set attribute plot grid, and then we'll do HTTP service colon JS. I think we do encode and then grid. And then update event colon fire all clients player comma grid, and then save grid, and then player and grid, and then outside we're gonna do players dot player added colon connect function player, and then we're just gonna get the local grid. What, bro? What? Okay, no, wait, no, it's the next one. Okay, yeah, it doesn't. And then update event colon firewall client player comma grid. And then that's the server part of it. Man, I'm hungry. And I still have one more script to write. I mean, it's not as long, but like, it's whatever. It is whatever. Oh yeah, I've never really used the assistant. Is it good? I don't really know if it's like good or not. Because it could probably save me a lot of time if I used it. But I don't know if it's really, like, you have to like tell it a bunch to like get the code right. I'm just gonna lean back in my chair and just relax, because I am tired. I'm just gonna, lean back and local player equals game. Oh my gosh. Game dot players dot local player, and then local plot GUI script dot parent local grid frame equals plot GUI. Hold on, wait for child. Grid frame. Oh, I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this anymore. Local title template equals grid frame. Hold on, wait for child. Title template local replicated storage equals game colon get service, replicated storage. Oh wait, here, I'll just do this. Plot expansion server, I probably need both of these. And then I'm done. So we'll do local. You know what? Grid underscore size equals 3. Local function render grid 4 underscore comma child in pairs grid frame colon get children do if child is a text button and child dot name doesn't equal to tile template, then child colon destroy, and then wait, still inside of the function, just bro, I feel like I'm giving a tutorial right now. Honestly, if you want to use this as a tutorial, go ahead, be my guest. But I'm not going to show you the script to make the, you got to make your own script for the plot generation. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore, man. I'm like, I'm out, like, I'm out cold. Like, I'm just not thinking. Y equals 1, comma, grid size do. Local key equals, wait, yo, is this what I need? No. I was about to say, if it is, I might just copy a little bit, you know, x dot comma dot y local owned equals grid key. Wait, yo, one of my friends from school is calling. I'll be back. Alright. I am back. I am back for you. If owned, then title dot background color. The background color 3 equals color 3 dot from RGB 46 204 and then 113 like a greenish. Title. Text equals font. And then else. I'll just kind of copy it. Else. Title. Thinking like a gray color. So like 149. Alright guys. Request event fire server x comma y. It's almost done, guys. It's almost done. Okay. 1 2, right? Title dot parent equals grid frame. Oh wait, never mind. I'm not done yet. I got too excited. I just realized I have to update event dot on client event connect function grid render grid. Okay. So it should work. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna fix it later because I am about to take a nap. Please just work. Yes! It actually worked. What just happened? Yeah, well, I appreciate it, you guys, for watching, and, I'll hope you guys tune in for another stream, and, I'll see you in the next one.